Every bird in this forest is obsessed with one tree, but what's actually inside it might surprise you. This isn't just a tree, it's a complete survival system hidden in plain sight. A place where birds don't just visit, they live. Choosing the wrong tree can mean no food, no shelter, even losing their young. So how do birds decide? What makes one tree a paradise and another just ordinary? It starts with food. This tree produces berries, seeds, and attracts insects. Everything a bird needs to survive. Then comes shelter. Thick branches and dense leaves create the perfect hidden nesting spots, safe from weather and danger. And danger is always close. Predators pass overhead, but inside this tree, birds stay protected and out of sight. Water matters too. Nearby sources, or even rain collected in the tree, give birds a place to drink and clean themselves. From sunrise to sunset, this tree is alive, feeding, moving, protecting. Every second, something is happening, and when night falls, it becomes a safe haven, quiet, secure, alive in a different way. This isn't just a tree, it's the difference between survival and struggle. So next time you see a tree like this, take a closer look. You might be standing in the middle of a hidden world. What birds have you seen around you? Drop it in the comments and follow for more hidden nature secrets.